What does a cow say? What does a cow say? Can you tell me what the cat says?
Ow.
Yeah. What about a snake? What does a snake say? That's right. How about a cow?
Boom.
Mm-hmm. How about a lion? That's right. What about Cookie Monster? Do you remember what Cookie says? He sounds kind of like a lion. What about a rooster? That's right. And an elephant? That's a rooster too. What does an elephant say? That's right, Smarty. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye.